vault. So somebody stored gold down there. Whitaker. That looks like an urn. More obelisks. So what's beyond there? I don't know if I even want to walk beyond there. I think I'm gonna stay on the paved road. Could be something over. There's probably unstable structures over there. I think I'll stay away from those, or maybe I'll take a look at it. What is... So that's left there for someone. I don't know what that is. That trail that I just saw, that I was questioning whether it doesn't look like there would be much beyond there. Just shrubbery, that's all. Grass, vines, everything. That's all, man. Doesn't look like there would be much beyond there anyway. A pile of clothing, you know. Somebody was sitting out here in a chair. So what, did they camp out here or something? I mean, I guess this would be a place to hide out if you want to, you know, I suppose. If this takes me back out to the entrance, this would pretty much be the end of the video. Nothing but foliage so far. More older stones. Oh, there's a deer in here. Hey there, little deer. Well, can't be hunted. You got a deer in here. Animals supposed to be sensitive. They're supposed to be sensitive. But then again, wait. Someone had the theory that sunlight and the electromagnetic activity, or whatever energy, well, that's that's obviously the energy, right? Along with, I guess, some other stuff, would actually interfere with the ghost manifesting. I thought it was just the electricity, but somebody said that. I don't know. I would have to do some research on it. But then again, I haven't found a ghost. So what am I researching exactly? A potential myth? I don't know. But wait, hauntings can definitely be real. They could. I don't know. But because I haven't had that experience, you know, so I can't really talk on it. Yep, we're basically making our way back around. We really are. Where did that deer go, man? Listen, it saw me. It'll run away if it sees me. And all the dead here. So the deer probably, you know, takes a dump in here. So I don't know if the ghosts are disturbed by that, or these beings would used to be, you know, alive people. Hey, they mentioned the dogs, so I don't know, man. Oh, look, a freaking mini lake. We'll get past this. We'll get past this. Oh, there's 2 deer over there. Oh, you missed it. Where are they? Dang it. Yeah, I can see where my video just restarted because now I'm at 5 minutes 20 seconds now. Yeah, I think it restarts by itself. Yeah, the SD card allows for like an hour and 50 some minutes. So I don't know if it caps itself off at 30. I haven't done a straight through video on this. I just branch them off. Well, I just do cuts here and there. But I was going to do away with that because if I wanted to edit and put it and compile them together, all of a sudden now not only is it Windows Movie Maker that tears up the video, like it really just jacked it up, right? When I was exporting, VideoPad did the same thing, and they called that a good editor. It was garbage. It was the worst editor I've ever used. Oh, look at that over there. Now that's where I was earlier. That's exactly where I was earlier. So we are making our way back out. I went up this way, went in an entire circle. That's probably all that we need to see. What historical... It must have been through that place I was questioning. It must have been through that place I was questioning. But if it is really unstable, I don't know if it's the ground itself or if it's everything, you know. Yeah, I probably should stay away from it. It says it could kill you. So, yeah, no dying is going to happen today. Hey, I'm too young, man. I'm too young. But then again, I can't say that. I can't say that. Because younger persons younger than me die all the time, so I guess I don't really have a whole lot of room to say that, do I? Well, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yeah, I might just call this the end. I didn't see much here that looked bad. I mean, look, there's an obelisk out in the distance that's covered by shrubs. That's about it. Now, I'm pretty sure if you go in there, you probably would just get some poison ivy or something. Some of that has to be in there. They mentioned poison ivy in the thing. So, yeah, I'm not going to go in there and all of a sudden I go back to work and I'm itching like crazy. Yeah, no. For the most part, I mean, the only thing I saw was that one little arch over there. That arch structure that looked like they were just renovating that part. That was it. That's the only thing that looks really, really old. The way it was just falling apart. Well, let's get the heck out of here. I didn't see much of what they were talking about. Wait a minute. Am I missing? So I just said I was going to go into a particular... Oh, here it is. Here's the path I said I was going to go through. Yeah, that's the path I said I was going to go through. There's people up there running around. I wonder what they're doing. Are they playing around in the cemetery? They're playing around in the cemetery. I don't think this is the place for that. I mean, unless you're just checking it out like myself, man. What are those persons doing, man? They playing hide and seek up there? They're just running around, dude. I might be hallucinating, but back there, I thought I heard a faint whisper come through the headphones. Like at least a couple of times. It was faint. I don't know, it was just like little something. I think they may have something tried to whisper. I could be wrong. I don't know. And then again, growing up, when I was looking, I was like, I think I could have sworn I heard something. Listen, dude, it's probably just me. It's probably just me, okay? Listen, I'm crazy, okay? I'm crazy. That's probably all it is. That's the exit, so I'll be heading back there after I go up this hike here. Wow, that battery dropped fast. It was in green. That thing was fully charged. The battery dropped fast. Wow. Come to think of it, I should tell you that I got this camera from Wish.com. And no, the battery draining fast has nothing to do with ghost phenomenon. It has nothing to do with that. Okay, because it did that back on the nature refuge. Okay, that hike. It did it back there. So, yeah, it's the device. I mean, listen, I still think it's pretty decent. I appreciate it. I have it. I'm able to use it. I'm able to upload videos with it. It's something. Yes, I have another camera, and yes, that has infrared on it. Okay, that's a better quality. So, I'll be trusting that more when it comes to battery. This has everything that you want on it for a basic camera. Wow, that hike really takes it out of you if you're trying to talk and you got to breathe too at the same time. It has all that. There are persons up in the distance. More shrubbery. More tombs, right? More tombstones and all that stuff hidden through all that stuff. I'll be honest with you, Wish.com, is not all that bad though. At least it's really not that bad. But got a camera. That's all. It was cheap. It was like what, $20 some? That's a cheap camera. Listen, it's pretty decent to me. Okay, I can still get, decent pixelation on this thing. I can. Oh, and it also takes pictures, so, that's nice. Yes, I already have another $20 some camera I got from Wish.com. It was supposed to be strictly for photo, but apparently that does video too. So, yeah, it's got a couple of cheap things. I like how they look, though. The weight of them feel pretty good, so the weight makes it feel decent, at least. I like the weight in technology. Makes it feel pretty good. Doesn't feel all that cheap, man. Because I've had stuff that feels way cheaper, man. Seriously. The persons went through there. They went through there, man. I don't know where they went. Maybe they're just checking out because they probably heard that this was abandoned. Now we're really starting to see what they're talking about on that website. We really are. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, they went through here. And then there's that path. We go down here. Yeah, this paved road is starting to have grass creep up through it. Nature is definitely taking over here. So if they renovated this entire thing, who knows how long that would be. I guess I will come back to see what the change is. How much of a change there is. This looks like the end of the line here. Yeah, it doesn't look like much though, but yep, that's the end. See, that's where I came, and I thought there was an entrance that way. I had to come back past where the cop car was. Looks like there might just be one tomb all the way over there. Yep, that's pretty much it. Actually, let's go look at... Are these rabbits? Let's go take a look at this. Are these rabbits here? No, that's plants, isn't it? There's probably nothing through here either. It's just a little simple hiking trail. Another tomb this way. That's not a rabbit. That's just a bunch of wish flower seeds. No, this wasn't the street. That was another street. This wasn't the street. I got myself confused. I mean, I'm standing out here, and it kind of. I mean, listen, the houses look the same. They're row houses. They're row houses. They look the same. It's not much around here. I mean, I could keep going down just to take a look, but yeah. Somebody came out here and changed diapers. Can you believe that? They came out here, changed the kids' diapers, threw the trash out here. Really, person? Yes, leave the dead people your garbage, as if they need your garbage. More garbage over there. I'm curious if that person got haunted. Maybe not. I don't know. Like I said, there's nothing around here. There's a bunch of wish beads or wish pods, or whatever they call them, wish flowers. Yeah, this is basically going back where we came, and the place where I said I wasn't going to go through, that's pretty much what it was going to look like anyway. And there are the persons. They're just taking a hike. Yeah, it's pretty much going to keep looking like this. I'll just go back. Could just end the video right here, or I'll just walk back out with the video. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to show right about now. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. It's not as crazy as they paint it out to be. I didn't see those structures. I didn't come across those structures. It might have been out here. It might have just been that arch. That's probably what it was. I mean, you see them putting up wooden support beams there, so yeah. Could have been something else, but yeah, that looks like everything. That pretty much looks like everything to me. So we're just gonna head out. Well, guys, it was nice talking to you. Have a nice day.